Imagine starting your trading journey with just $10. No fluff, no gimmicks. Today we're diving deep into a Forex platform that claims to offer low-cost entry, high commissions for affiliates, and access to global markets. But is it really worth your time? Let's find out. HankoTrade is an offshore Forex and CFD broker that offers both STP and ECN account types, catering to traders who want direct access to liquidity providers. With a minimum deposit of just $10, it's positioned as one of the more accessible brokers in the space, especially for beginners or those testing out new strategies. They offer both live and demo accounts, and the onboarding process is pretty straightforward. Once you're signed up, you'll find a clean dashboard where you can manage your trading accounts, submit support tickets, and request withdrawals. HankoTrade supports a variety of account types including STP, ECN, and ECN Plus account spreads starting from 0.7 pips on STP and as low as 0.0 on ECN, maximum leverage up to 1 to 500 depending on the asset-based currency. USD instruments offered include Forex, commodities, indices, and crypto CFDs. There's no option to trade stocks directly, but if your focus is Forex or crypto derivatives, HankoTrade might check a few boxes. Security-wise, the platform encourages users to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for withdrawals. This is a welcome addition, but keep in mind that HankoTrade operates without regulation from a top-tier authority like FCA or ASIC. That means you're trading at your own risk, so always tread carefully. One standout feature is HankoTrade's affiliate program. You can earn up to 40% commission from the trades your referrals make. There's a unique affiliate dashboard that gives you tracking links and performance stats. If you're building content or running ads in the finance space, this could be a worthwhile income stream. So, is HankoTrade worth it? It offers low deposit entry, competitive spreads, high affiliate commissions, a decent trading dashboard. But on the downside, its unregulated withdrawal process can require multiple steps, no direct stock trading, limited transparency on slippage or order execution. Rating, 6.5 out of 10. It's decent for testing or low-risk trading strategies, but not ideal for serious capital. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff trading content. And if you want to test HankoTrade for yourself, check out the demo or live account using the link in the description. Trade safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video.